Loving kindness routine. Welcome to our loving kindness routine, a practice to cultivate compassion and goodwill towards yourself and others. Remember to wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows you to sit or move easily. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and take a moment to immerse yourself in the silence. And let's begin this journey of loving kindness together. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale the energy of kindness, and as you exhale, envision sending warmth and compassion to yourself. Feel the gentle embrace of self-love filling your being. Now, let that warmth expand beyond yourself. Envision sending loving thoughts to someone close to you. A friend, a family member. Picture them surrounded by the same compassion you felt. Extend this compassionate energy further to acquaintances, colleagues, and eventually to all beings. Envision a world bathed in the glow of kindness and understanding. Feel the interconnectedness of our shared humanity. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling of loving kindness with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining our loving kindness routine. Until next time, may your heart be filled with compassion and goodwill. And remember, breathe deeply and find inner peace.